Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Burrows, and I'm here to share with you today 5 keys to maximizing your leadership potential. I want to give you 5 words. The first word is recognize. Now, why is this word important? It's very difficult to change anything in your life if you don't recognize. And as a leader, you have to recognize who are your friends, who are your foes, recognize who's helping you, recognize who's hurting you. So it begins with recognition. Once you've recognized what's going on around you, then the next step is organize. Now, what do I mean by organize? Organize means putting together a plan. So whatever your situation is, it's important to plan to get to the next phase. Without a plan, there's no possibility of effectiveness. So the first thing that I want you to remember is that you have to recognize. The second thing is organize. Organize means putting on paper what are the steps, what are the issues that you need to resolve to get to where you need to be. The third word I want to mention to you today is called strategize. So you recognize, you organize, and then you strategize. Now, what is strategize? Strategize is putting meat to your plan, putting timelines, putting mile markers, and getting into detail what methodologies you will use to succeed. So we begin with recognize, then we go to organize, and then we go to strategize. And then the fourth one I want you to remember today that's key to your leadership potential is prioritize. Many times we can have plans, we can have effective strategies, but if we don't prioritize, if we don't put things in the right priority order, it can mess up all of the plans, all of the strategies that we have. So it's very, very important to learn how to prioritize. Prioritizing means deciding what needs to happen now. Sometimes we can have 5 things that we need to do, but we need to figure out which one is the first one we should do. And the last word I want to mention to you today is maximize. So let's go through those 4 words first of all. First of all is recognize, organize, strategize, prioritize, and the final one is maximize. Now, what is maximizing all about? Maximizing means making the very most of every opportunity that you have. In life, it's important for you to maximize every moment. You don't have time twice. You don't have opportunities twice. So as a leader, you need to learn to maximize your opportunities. My friend and mentor, Dr. Miles Monroe once said, it's important to die empty. What does that mean? Well, if you die empty, it means that you exhaust all the possible talents, gifts, abilities that you have, and you leave nothing on the table. If you have books inside of you to write, if you have something that needs to be accomplished, you go ahead and work on accomplishing it. So you maximize every opportunity. So once again, here are those 5 words. First of all, recognize. Second, organize. Third, strategize. 4, prioritize. And 5, maximize. Those are your key leadership words for this week.